Alright, we're back. Another day. Today's Facebook plunder. New hood latch. 25 bucks. I don't know what they cost from the dealer. Hopefully it's more than 25 bucks. Otherwise I'll feel like an idiot. But new hood latch. I felt like it was a good enough deal, dude. It's still in the... Sounds fair. Sounds fair, right? Yeah. I'll be ticked. I'll be honest. But we're going to get that put on Project Cobra. Alright, so I got my bracket. I actually had that, and that's what the hood latch bolts to. Luckily I had those two bolts in it, but it did not have any of the other bolts. So I'm going through the bolt drawer. I found the 3 and 4 for the bottom of the rod down there. We'll get some washers for it. Okay. So I'm pretty glad these are actually in there. They have these little teeth on there. That's kind of what helps you to lock your latch in place, so that when it's, you know, people are slamming them things down, they don't move around on you. It also has little kind of alignment pins, and there's little holes right there and there. Sort of put that in place. I'm gonna probably have to put the camera down so I can put my cable on here, but we'll do that.
That sounds scary.
Yeah. Not good.
Holy dusty. See that one?
Mm-mm. Is it a nader?
Like the Sahara.
Wow.
The whole damn thing. You know watch any of the Dakar rally?
Yeah.
Dude, talk about some deep sand this year.
Where's it at? There it is. Oh, yeah.
Having to just plow out the top of the dunes to get through them. Caught the kid that was breaking into dispensaries.
Really?
Yeah, he's the same kid. I guess he hit Fat Boy.
This means that there will come a time when there will be a prevalence of deception. And it's a scary thought, because the Bible says even the elect will be deceived. If you read Matthew 24, verse 24, heed and be on high alert in order to discern deception. And so, verse 29 says, so you also
according to the probable cause affidavit, a green Kia Soul had been tailgating another vehicle driven by a locked police officer.
When you see these things happening, know that it is near at the door. This parable, given to us by Jesus, is meant to serve as a warning to all of us. His return is near at the doors.
All right, so if you notice when I push on the, push over here on this side, kind of has some movement. Then back over here, so it's like a seesaw on that latch. I'll show you why. So, just back up. These bumpers thread in, and that's the stoppers for your sort of height alignment. I kind of bottomed mine out when I put the hood on. Get it to shut down. Stay. Boom. Boom. That one needs to come up just a tad. Alright, so need to install a couple AC lines, which are these. I'm gonna go ahead and go with this guy first, as I believe it'll be the more difficult one to feed down in there. I have to also put the camera down. YouTube's killing me right now with these rap song commercials. Yeah. I don't know. Ow. Not a whole lot of room back here for this one. But that's on. Probably could unplug my intake and stuff. We got that up out of the way. That's all down in place down here. And then the next guy we're going to do is this. This guy goes right down here.
Right here?
And up here. I'm gonna plug in my headlights while I'm in here. Boom.
Cobra. Look, my little cobra. You know?
You have to remember that much of the roots of biology for us to know our physical world and so on. So the early Muslims experienced this explosion in knowledge that led to the first universities, like the University of Córdoba and so on. And the centers of Islamic knowledge became known as the centers not only of Islamic religion but also science and learning. It was from these origins.
So, man, it's dust storming out there. Man, only problem I'm having now is when I hit the brakes. After, it just won't. Front brakes are sticking, is what I'm trying to say. Front brakes will not release. They bite down equally. Blah blah blah. Pretty sure it's in this ABS module. So, I'm going to take this pump probably completely off. See if I can take that block off. And plug some of those and make my own ABS delete.